Predictive maintenance is a maintenance strategy that leverages technologies such as IoT, AI, and big data to optimize machinery performance and lifespan by anticipating failures through real-time data analysis and reducing unexpected downtime. This approach leads to economic benefits such as lower operational costs and increased productivity. By connecting machinery to IoT sensors, real-time monitoring of parameters such as energy consumption, vibrations, temperature, and humidity becomes possible, thereby improving performance control. Sophisticated alerts quickly identify issues, reducing failures and malfunctions. Digital twins enable rapid diagnosis and response to faults, while machine learning algorithms and neural networks provide intelligent analyses of performance and root causes of equipment downtime. With technological advancements, predictive maintenance also contributes to sustainability by minimizing waste and energy consumption, enhancing efficiency, and addressing environmental and social needs. Advanced predictive maintenance solutions leverage IoT and artificial intelligence algorithms to deliver accurate and timely forecasts. PAWA is Avantoon's solution that empowers you to create a predictive maintenance scenario tailored to your specific needs. Choose Avantoon. Contact us today for a free demo. Discover more at avantoon.com.